Hello home baker, how's it going? Today we are going to make quick and easy pumpkin bread that has full of autumn spices and flavor. It is super moist and tender, it just melts in your mouth. Let's get started. First mix all dry ingredients, 210 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie seasoning. Whisk together to combine. In another bowl, mix all wet ingredients, 300 grams of pumpkin puree, 150 milliliters of oil or melted butter, 250 grams of white sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 large eggs. Whisk until well combined. Next, pour wet mixture into dry mixture. Stir until it is just incorporated. The batter will be quite runny. Line a 9x5 loaf pan with a parchment paper. Alternatively, you can grease and flour the pan. Parchment paper helps with the even baking. Also use as a tool to lift baked goods up from the pan. Pour the batter into the lined pan. Smooth its top with a rubber spatula. Sprinkle raw pumpkin seed on top, optional. Bake for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the top halfway to prevent the top from overly browning. Let it cool down for 20 minutes in the pan. Remove from the pan and let it cool down completely. The bread looks evenly baked and smells so amazing. Let me know what you think of this recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.